Hello, hello, my lovely people. Spend a day with me. Today, me and my girls went to the farmer's market located in Concord, North Carolina. Farmer's Fresh. This is the one I grew up going to as a little girl with my grandparents, and OMG, nothing has changed. Absolutely nothing has changed other than they take EBT. So, I had to take my little SunBucks card right on up in there and get us some fresh fruits and vegetables. And yes, we scored big here. I think I spent a total of $30. I didn't get that in the video, but yes, they have everything that a southern lady would love or a southern gentleman would love. They have fresh fruits and vegetables here, y'all. Fresh fruits and vegetables. So if you're willing for a day trip, travel over to this farmer's market. They are very low key, very friendly. You see, it wasn't packed. You can really take your time and look and see. The prices are amazing, y'all. They're way a lot cheaper than in the grocery store. So, of course, my daughter and my niece picked up some watermelon. I didn't pick up any corn on the cob because I'm like, we not even eating corn on the cob like that. I cooked some the other day and they wasted it. But anyway, we picked up this watermelon that was already cut. I was going to get a whole entire watermelon, but I didn't know if they were sweet yet. So anyway, the lady did inform me that it is not muscadine season. I was so disappointed. She said, honey, them things don't come out till like September. And I'm like, are you sure? She like, yeah, I'm sure. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm clear. I told her, I said, I swear, but then I had me some last summer, but maybe I didn't. Maybe I was wrong. But anyway, yeah, you see tomatoes here. This is the discount section. I have to always check out the discount section no matter where I go. So yeah, these was like, I don't know what you call them, but anyway, you can see what they have here, like squash and beans, you know what I'm saying? Fresh, beans and stuff like that. So, like I said, this is a discount section. They had strawberries, blackberries, cherries, you know what I'm saying? You name it, they had it, grapes. And then they have a floral department. So if you have got a green thumb, or you've been looking for a place other than Lowe's and Home Depot to get your floor, your flowers and stuff from, check out these farmers market. They do have it here. A lot of farmers market don't have flowers and stuff like that, a floral department, but this one does, and it has a huge selection of different flowers and plants that you can have for inside your home and outside your home. And of course, they have someone that's been there that can educate you on, what's the best plant to have in your home and garden and everything like that. Now, it's kind of a little pricey and everything. I'm not quite sure where they get these plants from, but they are a little pricey. I'm not going to, lie and hold you. But if you take look in this video, you see any type of plants that you're interested in, travel out here and ask these people. They are extremely friendly. No, I was not paid to say this. I'm just telling you, like, I know I travel all the way from the town that I'm living in now to go back to town I grew up in. And this is, I said Concord, y'all. This is Kannapolis, North Carolina. I am tripping. Tripping. Concord is probably about maybe 5-10 miles down the road, if that, because I don't know nothing about no miles. But look at this. I thought this was so pretty. I love purple. Well, my daughter is tetrified of bees, so I have to be mindful of the plants I plant around my home and my new home that I'm buying, what type of plants I have. So this is me just to try to show you exactly how big this backyard is. Like, this would be a dream come true. I feel like Martha Stewart out here with all these different plants. You know what I'm saying? I keep myself busy. This was just so peaceful to me. See that big smile on my face? I was so happy, so relaxed, so chill. You know what I'm saying? Walking through this garden of flowers, man. I'm telling, like, I just wish I had a green thumb like this. I could just take it from a seed and make it look like this in my own personal yard. People have that. I do like gardening, but I don't have a green thumb like that, y'all. But it doesn't take but time and patience and educating yourself on which plants needs direct sunlight, not a lot of direct sunlight, which ones need to be watered, and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, if you're interested in getting you some flowers for the summer and it's not too late, check this place out in Kannapolis, North Carolina. Y'all, yeah, right there off of 29.